If you're exploring ways to make money online, starting an e-commerce business, or learning how to start dropshipping, sooner or later you'll need product ads that actually grab attention. What's interesting is that every ad you see started from just these 4 product images. No design software, no complicated editing, just product images and an AI agent. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I use Fotor Video Agent to turn simple product images into professional Amazon-ready ad creatives from start to finish.
Let's build this from scratch. I'll start by creating a new project inside Fotor Video Agent. I'm giving the agent product images and a prompt. The more clearly I describe the product and the style I want, the better the results usually are. For this example, I'm creating a clean Amazon product ad for a premium insulated water bottle. I'll let Fotor Video Agent take it from here. Now, the agent starts analyzing everything I've provided. It's not just looking at the images, it also understands the prompt and the product I'm trying to promote. Instead of creating random designs, it identifies the key selling points first, so every design stays focused on what really matters. In just a few minutes, it can generate ad creatives suitable for Amazon. And I can also make changes on the form. If you're still not satisfied, you can make further adjustments. That's the power of Fotor Video Agent's editing capabilities. We can also ask it to add text overlays and explanatory captions for us. Once the script is finalized, Fotor Video Agent will compile and integrate the relevant information. To ensure the accuracy of the video, they will reconfirm the product images and script with me to produce a higher quality video. Then it'll automatically arrange the generated videos on the timeline below. He also let us choose the narration voice. There were many to choose from, and I chose Peter. In just a few minutes, Fotor Video Agent will automatically combine the generated video, audio, and text into a polished final video. We can adjust the colors in the parameter panel on the right. And here's the final version after the adjustments.
Ice cold, 24 hours. Sweat proof, no drips. Leak proof, even upside down. Fits every cup holder. Hot for 12 hours. Portable and light.
I hope this tutorial helps you create better Amazon product ads with Fotor Video Agent. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.